Here we are, yeah. Okay, it's a beautiful Thursday afternoon, temperature -1°C. We are heading in a major snowstorm. We're proceeding southwest along Beach Area 1. On the left here, we have some clubs, the Banana, which is soon going to disappear. And there's also another club down the road, the Targarella, and that's going to disappear too. And as we're going through deeper, oh look, there's a Jeep going to the beach, look! Photograph the Jeep. What's that church doing there? Oh man, I hope he doesn't get stuck. Oh no, I was trying to commit. What's he trying to do? That's insane. That is insane. Look, he's going into the water. Look at that. What a chooch. Oh, zoom in on the Jeep. What a chooch. That's insane, man. The guy's lost. Whoa. Here we are. We got more snow coming. Look at this. Look at this. As we're approaching the liquor and beer store. On the left-hand side is the LCBO. And on the right-hand side, we should be approaching the beer store. Look how cool this looks. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, this is impressive. Okay, we are now going southeast. We're not going to go southeast because it's going to take us into the river. So we are going to experience a little more snow here along the way. And now we're proceeding southwest, it should be. No, we're proceeding southwest. There we are. Now we're proceeding southwest. I wish I had my GPS watch so I could give you the coordinates, but I don't have it. All right, I think we got, what else we need to take? Oh, this is scary. Oh, look how beautiful those trees are. Look at that, covered in snow. Whoa, look at that tree. What a wicked storm. Whoa. Only going 40 kilometers here. Whoa. Those snow-covered trees look pretty. Look at that. Yeah, we're passing by the Lahu Resort, which you figure being a wine thing. Oh, look at those trees on the right. Look how beautiful they're snow-covered. Yeah, wow. Oh man, this is so cool. We're waiting all year for this. All right, that's gonna cut it, and we can stop the video now.